You know, this is just one option for outdoor entertainment areas is to use wood like this. And depending on what part of the country you're in, you have a lot of different types of wood that you can use. But Alan has a few other options for you.
This is a fairly typical patio, but let's face it, it's boring. It's just a slab of cement with no real character. Now, the good news is that there are some things you can do to really add that extra oomph to your concrete. Start out by thoroughly cleaning the surface. You'll want to use a pressure washer. You may even consider acid washing it. Then add some character by adding some lines to it. A little bit of a pattern by scoring it. Now, that's as simple as putting a masonry blade on a circular saw and creating a tile pattern by cutting some very shallow grooves in the concrete. Then you're ready to add some concrete stain. Now, these stains come in several different colors so you can match or complement your surrounding exterior surfaces. You could also add a concrete paint instead. Now, let me give you an opinion here. Concrete paint's good because it will actually cover your blemishes better. However, I think you'll be happier by putting a stain on a patio surface simply because it's going to be a lot more durable. Now, what if you don't have a patio, would like to create one? Well, you want to do that without the hassle of putting in form boards, pouring concrete. How about some concrete pavers, brick pavers, even flagstones? Here's a great suggestion. Go to our website at DannyLipford.com. In the search box, type in the word pavers. It'll take you to a great how-to article on creating that type of patio.